Alright guys, it's being back once again with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the last 9 packs of my 84 Donruss, not Donruss, Topps box. I forked out some money for a 84 Donruss box. But yeah, still on the hunt for that elusive Don Mattingly rookie. So we'll see what we get. Raleigh Fingers, Goose. Alrighty. Don't walk in. Another contest card. There's a Jim Rice card. Andre Dawson, pretty off center it looks like. Just typical for this stuff. Glad that wasn't a special card there. The gun was pretty stuck to it. Alright, Ozzie Smith, All-Star, pretty off center though. Mookie Wilson and Tom Seaver, Mets card. Jack Morris. And Alan Trammell. And I know it would be cheaper to just buy a Mattingly probably, but you know, what's the fun in that? George Brett All-Star. Carlton Fisk. Alright, on to another pack here. I didn't clean my packs up last round, so they're about to run over here. We got a Gary Carter right on top. He's got the wax spot on him though, pretty bad. Another game card. Alright, a Ryan Sandberg, another one of my favorites. Cool card. Tony Perez. Got a Dale Murphy right at the gate, but he's got the wax all over him there. Sparky Anderson. Another game card. And not much in that pack. I'm about to have an avalanche here of wax packs and 20-something-year-old gun. Do you see a Roscoe versus another George Brett? Guys, make sure you leave me some comments on what you think of the box. Oh man, I got excited a minute. 2 Yankees in a row and not the one I'm looking for. Like I said, got these from Baseball Card Exchange. Fixing to place another order with him here shortly, probably tomorrow, for some more vintage stuff to break. Tom Seaver. Here's another Orioles leader card with Cal Ripken on it. We only got 2 more packs after this, guys, so alright, there's me a Nolan Ryan. That's a cool card. It's got the gum on stain on the back though. That's my luck. It was the back card, so not worthy of submitting or anything. But we'll throw it in the collection anyway. See, I went to Avalanche. Doug Beer, Sutter, and Eddie Murray All-Star. And we got 1 more pack after this. We're keeping our fingers and our toes and everything else crossed here, because it's not in this, we didn't get it. And that's the way it goes sometimes. So keep your fingers crossed for me. It's not on the front or the back. Frank White. There's a Steve Carlton highlight. First one of them I've seen. So Whitey Herzog, Joe Torre. Oh man, don't look good. Didn't get it, man. But that's the way it goes, guys. Did get some decent cards out of the box, but did not get the Mattingly rookie I was looking for. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember to check out Baseball Card Exchange. We'll be busting some more wax from them here in the near future. So make sure you check them out. Make sure you leave any comments or whatever. And fun break regardless of whether I got them the one hit I was looking for or not. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you soon. Take care.